So I spent most of my day seriously trying to figure out how I can use this phone, which is the Samsung S20 Galaxy, of course, the FE. Trying to use this awesome feature. It's called the wireless power charge or share, where I can charge my phone using this feature. So I have an older phone. It's also a Samsung and it's A50. And what I do is that I would use my new phone, turn it on, enable it, and then it's ready to charge. And I've been doing this all day long. See, look at my battery, it's dead. So, and it's not working. So, I have tried everything until I figured that my phone needs to be QI enabled or certified. There's a list of all the QI enabled phones that you can find online. One of them is this old iPhone. To charge, face down. Are you serious? I seriously spent most of my day trying to figure out what the heck's going on. Although this is an older phone than this one, I mean, but now I know the reason why. Now, as long as you have over 30% of battery charge in your phone, in your Samsung Galaxy S20 Fe, you can always share your battery if someone needs a little bit of juice or charge. As long as they are what? QI enabled or certified. So, problem solved.